Hello everyone, welcome to the blog. Today I would like to talk about cosmetic training through activity-based learning. So the brain is designed to forget, and it is important to create emotion and especially leave the learners very well connected to the training material. So one powerful option is the flashcard in cosmetic training, strengthening product expertise and beauty ritual mastering. This really system, enable you to really interact with these flashcards, clicking, discovering the two faces. It can be rich flashcard with text, videos, audios. It's a very interesting features and can be very beautifully designed as well. Then after you get Insta Learning. Now, this is very efficient because I've always been puzzled why social learning is so addictive. How could we bring this addiction into LMSs? So basically the Insta Learning, it's very small cards that can be visual text and a small video with text or information. So did you know for this bag it was 125 hours of work? Did you know in this watch you had 100 of pieces? So very snappy, short information that stays into the brain, and this card can also lead to a more complete training session. The branching scenario, again, with branching scenario, you leave the learner very connected to the educative material. He has to be focused because he's make decision, he's taking action, he's really proactive in the learning process. Then after you get the video quizzes, which I really love. The video quiz, for example, give you the possibility to present a product, then ask a question. The video will stop. The learner have the possibility to answer the question, and the video will continue to the next question. It's very, very powerful because you have activities, you have the power of the video, multimedia, audio, kinetic. So that's a very powerful system. Then after you get interactive videos. So these interactive videos enable you to take decision, click on the link and jump on the precise position within the video. Also hotspot into a video or an image. So you could have a video playing, like a presentation of a look. And over, you have the possibility to click on the jacket, on the belt, on the trousers, on shoes, and have like pop-up information about the product. In this pop-up information, you could even have an audio, text, images. Why not another video? And that's a very powerful system. Then after you get the photo and video assessment in cosmetic training that give you the possibility, for example, to present a product or do a makeup and share the output to the community, uploading within the LMS images or video. Then you've got the live chat for discussion, enabling the team to share their experience, to ask questions, to interact with each other. That's very, very important. And one feature that's very efficient as well is the carousel. So you get one card and you are flipping different instruction and different visual into one widget. And that it's, you can use this for storytelling, for some product presentation, for a specific flow into the process of the treatment, cream application, cosmetic. Of course, you get everything which is related to the role play simulation, having the possibility online or on the store to put the learners into action, to reasset some processes. That's very, very good. You get after macro challenges that can be challenging between group, very powerful gamification solution. So you have you could have stores challenging between each other. You could have a group of learners or two learners directly. Then after you have the blending learning. The blending learning is important because sometimes I think the appellation of e-learning for a platform is misleading. It's much more blending learning. So the platform must have give the possibility for the manager to present a training from the platform, bring back the learners on the platform for more content, more exercises, but also have the possibility to validate the presence of the learners into the shop floor, and also give the possibility to learners to check in for on-site session. Thank you very much for listening, and looking forward for a nice vlog. Thank you.